Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, I don't want to go any further, but I feel like the damage is already done. Oh, oh, that is not good. What was I thinking? Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I'm SendIt Steve, and here's a quick little merch plug. We have t-shirts, SendIt Steve. They are fantastic, they are comfy, they are warm. Get them while they last, $25 shipped to your door. Send me a DM at tazfree13@aol.com. Feel like the camera's a little crooked here. Boom. And in case you're in one of the colder climates, like we all are now, you can get your hoodie. Also, SendIt Steve backyard built. On the front, we have our logo. These are beautiful quality, very furry kind of ish on the inside. Great piece. We have from small to 5X in the hoodies. They are $35 shipped to your door. Send me a DM. Now's the time to do it. All right, guys, so today I have a GoPro, an old 6, that I no longer really use anymore. So I wanted to see how it would fare with a tire of an F450. Now, this might be a little bit of a stupid video, but for some odd reason, I feel like I want to put this under that inner tire and just see what happens. Are you guys down for the enjoyment? I mean, I'm a little concerned, a little nervous, but for you guys, I'm willing to do an experiment. Will a GoPro 6 be able to take being run over by a F450 Super Duty on semi wheels? I mean, heck, let's try it. This does not feel like I should do it. I'm going so slow because I'm definitely a little nervous about doing this. I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't do it. Don't do it. I tricked you guys. You really thought I was going to run over a GoPro? I guess I got to do it now. Let me back up. We'll go for round 2. Let me back up. Oh no. All right. We'll straighten her out here. Now we're going to get her. Now we're going to get her. Oh. Why am I getting nervous? Oh, we're not close enough. We gotta redo this. We gotta redo it. We gotta get a better angle here. Better. Oh, that's it there. That's our line. Oh man, guys. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here goes nothing. I don't want to watch. I can't watch. Like, there's no way I can watch this. I can't watch it happen. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, I don't want to go any further, but I feel like the damage is already done. Oh. Oh, that is not good. What was I thinking? Oh my gosh. That was freaking stupid. Okay, you're right. I'm gonna do it. Told you guys I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna commit. I'm fully committing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh, no way. I can't believe I just did that. That might have been possibly the stupidest thing I have ever done. Oh my God. Well, let's do a little slow-mo replay. Oh my gosh. Well, I'd say that we no longer have a GoPro. Oh, parts are falling. Parts are falling. Well, yeah, I'm actually a little like in shock about this. I definitely didn't think it was gonna do all that. Look at the carnage. The battery and all. I guess that was stupid. I probably should have pulled the battery out so I at least retained the battery, but I did not think it was gonna crush it like that. So there you have it, guys. A GoPro Hero 6 cannot withstand the weight of a Ford F450. That's absolutely terrible. That might have been the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. I definitely didn't think it was going to destroy you guys, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoy the content, and I'm going to clean up my GoPro from the ground now. Oh my gosh. What was I thinking? Well, there are the remains. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you ever were wondering if you can run over a GoPro and will it survive, don't use an F450. Try it with like a Prius or a Honda Civic. Don't use an F450. That was completely stupid, guys. Completely stupid. Well, I hope this gets shared by a lot of people. Please, guys, share this video. I got a GoPro to pay for it. Luckily, it was just a 6, and they're only about $299, I believe. What the heck is that? Whatever. I guess it's the Halloween-ish season. Halloween's been over for a little bit now, but it is what it is, guys. If you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe, and definitely for sure share this video. I'd like to be able to pay to buy another GoPro. I mean, I do have 3 GoPros right now, but that was my 4th one and my very first one that I've ever started with. So with that being said, thank you, and we will see you in the next upload. Oh.